the bridge of colors. In a small valley, divided by a rushing river, two villages lived apart. The people of the East Village painted their homes in shades of red, while those of the West Village painted theirs in shades of blue. For generations, they avoided one another, believing their colors could never mix. One spring, a terrible storm broke the only wooden bridge that connected them. The East Village's crops were ruined, and the West Village's wells had collapsed. Each side had what the other needed to survive, but neither could reach across the river. A little girl named Luma from the East Village and a boy named Kale from the West Village both wandered to the riverbank. The next morning, without speaking, they began tossing stones into the current, trying to form a crossing. Their small efforts drew curious eyes. Soon, a carpenter brought timber, a farmer carried a rope, and an elder carried tools. From both sides, people came. Day by day, they built together, red hands and blue hands, lifting the same beams. When the bridge finally stood, they painted it not in red or blue, but in bright stripes of every color they had. The bridge became more than wood and rope. It was a promise. From that day forward, they crossed it freely, learning that unity was not the loss of one color to another, but the weaving of all colors into something stronger. And so, in the valley where division once ruled, the bridge of colors shone as a symbol of harmony. Thank you for watching this video.